Best Google Voice Alternatives. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some of the best Google Voice alternatives. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And the platform that I'm going to review, which is Best Google Voice Alternatives, including RingCentral platform, Nextiva.com, Grasshopper.com, Dialpad, and also Goto/Connect platform. And now, let's start first by knowing RingCentral platform, in which it is a cloud-based communication and collaboration platform that offers a wide range of services for business and organization, in which it provides tools for voice calls, video conferencing, team messaging, and collaboration, which is all accessible through a unified platform. And some of the features that this platform provides, including voice and video calling, team messaging, online meetings, integration and compatibility, mobile application, collaboration tools, and many more. And aside from that, it is also a cloud-based nature which allows for scalability, flexibility, and ease of access from anywhere with an internet connection. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plans that you can avail, such as the Core Plan, Advanced Plan, and also the Ultra Plan. And it will show you below here the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. And as you can see, the cheapest plan they offer is the Core Plan, amounting to $20 per month. But you will get unlimited domestic calling, SMS, IVR, Google Microsoft apps, and access to APIs and many more. And if you want to see the demo on how to use this, kindly click this View Demo button in here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to fill out all of the required information to sign up in this platform. And that is the first Google Voice Alternatives. The next one is this Nextiva platform, in which it is a business communications collaboration software that brings all your communication channels together in one place, allowing customers to interact with your business through various methods such as phone, video, chat, email, or text, in which it also offers a real-time insights, customer tracking, and integrations with other applications to streamline your business processes. And some of the features it provides including collaboration tools that allows teams to work from anywhere and easily organize, share, and present documents and files, and also automation and AI to enhance customer interactions and improve team efficiency. And now, if you have other concern, you can go to these FAQs or any questions, and by clicking any question, it will show you the corresponding answers. And to access this platform, just click the pricing plan, and from here, it will show you some of the plan that they offer with the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. And as you can see, the cheapest plan that you can avail is this Essential Plan, amounting to $17.39, in which you will get unlimited voice and video calling, voicemail, toll-free numbers, and Outlook or Google Contacts integrations. Now moving on to the other platform is this Grasshopper.com, in which it is a virtual phone system specifically designed for small businesses, offering features such as second phone number, unlimited users, and 24/7 support. And this platform allows entrepreneurs to separate their personal and business calls, making it easier to manage their professional lives with the use of this platform. And Grasshopper is a convenient and affordable solution for small businesses looking to maintain a professional presence while keeping their personal and business calls separate. And also, it offers a range of features to help businesses stay organized and efficient as their call volume increases. And below here are the 4 steps on how to get started with Grasshopper, starting from selecting a number, followed by choosing the plan, and also downloading the application, while the last step is to call and text. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plans that you can avail, including the True Solo, Solo Plus, Partner, and Small Business Plan. And you can choose either to build annually or monthly. And as you can see from here, the cheapest plan that they offer is True Solo Plan, amounting to $14 per month. But that is billed annually, since you need to pay $70 per month if you want to build monthly. And as you can see for this plan, True Solo, you will get 1 user, 1 phone number, and 1 extension as its benefit. Now moving on to the other platform called Dialpad.com, in which it is a cloud-based business communication platform that offers a range of features including voice, video, messaging, and contact center solutions. And this platform is powered by artificial intelligence or AI and provides real-time transcription, sentiment analysis, live coaching, predictive customer satisfaction, and many more. It also provides a feature of integration with other applications such as Salesforce, G Suite, and Microsoft Office 365. And also it offers mobile and desktop compatibility, allowing users to stay connected from anywhere. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plan that you can avail by simply clicking this plan and pricing option on the top panel. And below here, it will show you some of the plan, including Standard Plan, Pro Plan, and Enterprise Plan. And the cheapest plan that they offer is this Standard Plan amounting to $15 per user per month. And you will get all of this list of benefits and features. But this plan is billed annually. But you could also change this to billed monthly. But you need to pay for the standard plan $23 per month. But you could also avail the Pro plan amounting to $25 per month when billed annually, but $35 if billed monthly. And now for the last platform, which is best Google Voice alternatives, is this Goto/Connect platform, in which it is also a cloud-based business communication platform that provides a customizable, scalable, and all-in-one cloud phone and meeting system. Since it also offers a range of features including voice, video, messaging, and contact center solutions. And this platform is designed to help businesses connect from anywhere and boost customer engagement and sales. And some of the key features of Goto Connect including seamless integration of communication channels, real-time insights and analytics, collaboration tools, integration with other applications, mobile and desktop compatibility, and many more. And to see the pricing plan that they offer, just click this button right here, and you will be directed on this page. And below here, it will show you that the plan that they offer including the basic plan, standard plan, and Goto Connect add-ons. And it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included on each plan. And as you can see, the cheapest plan that they offer is this basic plan, amounting to $29 per month. But you will get some of the features including up to 20 users, local and toll-free number of options, video meetings, up to 150 participants, and many more. So these 5 platforms is actually the best Google Voice alternatives, such as this Goto Connect, Dialpad, Grasshopper, Nextiva, and RingCentral, in which those platforms are designed to help businesses connect from anywhere, boost customer engagement, and improve team collaboration. So those are the list of best Google Voice alternatives. Thank you.